This is the HornBlasters Mini Outlaw 127 train horn kit. Included in this kit are extremely loud Mini Outlaw train horn. This is a stainless steel construction with a sleek black finish. The horn has a pre-installed air valve and comes with 20 feet of 1/4-inch air line and stainless steel mounting hardware. The air system in this kit is our 127 unit. It has a medium duty compressor, operates from 90 to 120 PSI. It has that pre-wired and installed pressure switch, airline fitting, safety blow-off, 2 additional auxiliary air ports, and it comes with stainless steel mounting hardware. When it comes to the wiring components in this kit, you're getting everything you need for install. The universal wiring kit has all of the terminal connectors and fuses that you'll need, as well as a push button, toggle switch, inline fuse holder, 40 amp relay, HornBlasters airline cutters, and those 3 pieces of power wire. Each of these pieces of power wire is individually 22 feet long. Again, guys, HornBlasters, complete air horn and train horn kits for your ride with everything that you need to install these systems onto your vehicle right out of the box. You're looking at the HornBlasters Mini Outlaw 127H train horn system.